Hello guys, welcome back to Happiness Kitchen. In today's video, I'm sharing with you how to make this delicious fried yam with fish. So let's get started. Right here, I have the ingredients I will be using in this recipe. To start off, I have here my nicely cleaned fish. I will use my knife to cut it open. This is going to help the spices to enter the fish very well. Now I will create my seasoning mix. In a small bowl, I will add curry, thyme, salt, seasoning cube, garlic, and oil. You can use any seasoning of your choice. Now mix everything together. Next, apply the mixture on the fish on both sides so that the fish can have a nicely flavor. Flip it over to the other side and repeat the same process. Once I'm done, I will set it aside to marinate. Moving on to the yam. Cut and peel the yam into your preferred size and shape. As you can see, I have a bowl of clean water. Transfer the sliced yam inside water to prevent it from turning black. I'm going to peel and chop the rest of my yam. Next, wash the yam thoroughly until the water becomes clean. Add salt to your taste and mix to distribute the salt. Next, in a pan, add some oil and heat it up. Once the oil is hot, add the yam and fry on a medium heat until well cooked. Now I'm just turning it around. Once the yam is done, transfer on a tissue pepper, and repeat the same process until you are done. Now the fish is well marinated. I will go ahead to add my seasoned fish and fry it until it's nice and golden brown. After 4 minutes, I will flip the fish over so that other side can also cook well. Once the fish is well fried, remove it from the oil. For the tomato sauce, I will transfer the onions, pepper, and tomatoes inside the blender, and I will blend. Next, into the hot pan, add oil. Once the oil is hot, add the blended tomatoes and mix. Please guys, don't forget to like, share and comment, and fry for 4 to 5 minutes. Next, I will season with curry, thyme, seasoning cube and salt, and allow to cook until it's dry. So guys, my fried yam and fried fish is ready. I hope you enjoy this recipe that I shared with you. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.